Hello crypto elites and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to kickstart my video a little bit different to how I normally do. I'm just going to have a bit of a morning rant. I've been around friends, family, loved ones, and the sentiment in the crypto market is very down at the minute. People have sold their crypto in order just to get by, paying for oil, gas, electric, even food. Like, prices have skyrocketed everywhere, whether in the UK, USA, Japan, China, prices have gone up everywhere, and people have been manipulated into selling their crypto, which I believe is the worst thing possible to do right now. The markets are so low right now, and people have just given up with crypto. This will be the opportunity when the big retail investors actually then pump their money back into crypto, friggin' make the crypto charts skyrocket, get all the small retail investors and that to put their money back in, and then they're looking to drop the market again. This is the opportunity for you guys to actually take advantage of these charts and these low prices before they do actually skyrocket back up. I'm going to kickstart with Bitcoin and give my opinion and price prediction on Bitcoin in the upcoming, I'm going to give my price prediction for Bitcoin and where I see it going in the next few weeks. But Bitcoin, if you have missed my previous videos, we are ranging on this bottom support line. We have not had a candle wick below this bottom support line, and we are using this, it is clear as daylight, as support. And we have not breached this here, or to be fair, we use this as resistance there, but you could tell that this is a major support for Bitcoin. If we do get a candle close below here, then I do believe Bitcoin will drop in price and potentially will be going roughly about the £3,000 to £5,000 mark. But where I do actually see Bitcoin going is not down, but I see Bitcoin actually rising in price. The reason being is that we have this massive long-term trend line, and every time we actually breach out of this trend line, we can actually have we can see big swings to the upside. Not only that, we have our 200-day moving average, which is a green line, and our 50-day moving average, which is a red. We are getting closer and closer and closer. So not only are we about to break out this long-term trend line, but we can see our moving averages are actually getting closer and closer. So I predict that Bitcoin will first move up to the 50-day moving average, and we're looking at prices of about $19,000. Then we'll look to tackle the 200-day moving average, and we're looking at prices of around about $23,000. And then we have a 100-week moving average, which is up here, which is, say, roughly around up to the $40,000 mark. If you look in Bitcoin history, we have spent majority of our time above this 100-week moving average. And I believe it's not going to take long before we actually do see prices around about this range. So I do believe our first swing to the upside, if we carry on this sideways trajectory and ranging along the support line, will be roughly around about the 4th or 5th of December. If we do actually break below and we start ranging on this bottom support line here, as you can see, we've had wicks down there, but we've not actually had candle closes. But if we do close below this, we're looking at prices of roughly around about $15,500. But we could potentially see a breakout roughly around about the 14th of December if we do actually range across this line. But it looks like this major support is holding, and is holding quite well. So that's my price prediction for Bitcoin. With Ethereum, we have seen major downward trend since the 14th of August, and as you can see, we've had this big massive wick to the downside. We got rejected off our 200-day moving average and shot straight through our 50-day moving average, which is red one here. We are using this top support line as we speak. Again, we're using it quite well. Potentially, if this does carry on in this trajectory and we do actually move along this support line, we're looking at a breakout roughly around about the 21st of December. But Ethereum is a bit different to Bitcoin, because we have actually seen prices go as low as maybe, $850. So if we do break below this, we're looking at about a breakout roughly around about the 26th of January. That is if there isn't any market manipulation to make the prices rise or drop even further. I'll say long-term prices in terms of where we could be in the next month, 2 months, is again at a 100-week moving average, which is sitting around about the $2,430 mark. Again, Ethereum is also one where we have traded above a 100-week moving average consistently throughout its history. So I do believe at this point where every country is pretty much in a recession, prices are skyrocketing. They want you to take your money out these charts. I'm telling you, do not take your money out these charts and actually use these charts and these low prices as an opportunity to accumulate your bag. You will thank yourself for this in the long term. The second we break out of this long-term trend line, we could see prices, we could potentially go back to all-time highs. The sky's the limit. We just have to get past these Fibonacci retracements. So yeah, and as you can see, the moving averages are also getting closer and closer together. When they do actually cross over, we will see the golden cross and we'll see prices rise. We haven't seen these charts get this close in a very long time. And as you can see, when the red line is above the green, we are in full bull mode. We can see prices skyrocket. So believe me, use this chance to accumulate your bag. If you like my content, please subscribe. And please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. There's many more cryptos like this. Thank you for watching.